Creating your first digital product doesn't need to be complicated. I've made over $30,000 selling simple digital products. In this video, I'm going to walk you through from start to finish, how do you actually create your first digital product and use AI to accelerate the process? And most importantly, how to choose which digital product to sell. This is a great video if you're just getting started. All right, the first step before building a digital product is figuring out what digital product to sell. So this is my Medium page. And something that most people don't know is I actually use my Medium article to figure out where demand is. Here's one, 50 Suno AI prompts for lo-fi jazz and chill beats. As you can see, that has 129 claps, which is decent. So this article, I talk about Suno AI and what I've done, and then I share these prompts and people seem to gravitate towards this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these prompts as a launch pad for creating your first digital product. So this is very important. You don't want to just create a digital product from scratch. You want to start with validated demand. If you don't do this step, the odds are you will fail. So this is how I choose which digital products to build. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to copy and paste this, and then I'm going to open up ChatGPT and say, I have an article that I want to turn into a digital product. But first, share a potential structure for a 15 to 20 page digital download. Boom. So this is where you want to use AI to help you think about the structure of the digital product. You don't want AI slop. If you try to sell AI slop, you're not going to get many sales. So this is where it does take some human effort to structure it properly. All right, so I'm looking up here, cover page, introduction, how to write, sections, mood-based. Okay, mood-based, I don't really like that. So I'm going to say, here's the flow. Intro, how to, I like these. All right, so we're working through here. Okay, so you're just working back and forth with ChatGPT to figure out and define what your digital product scope should be. So I'm going to copy and paste this and say, yes, I like this. Finalize the outline. It's giving you the title. It's giving you the page numbers, what it should look like. Great, great, great. Oh, we even have sections, bonus content. Love it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy this into Claude and say, I want you to create a digital product. It should be a 20-page PDF. The outline is below, but please keep to this prompt structure here. Copy all that. So if we go back to Medium, go back to Claude, boom, boom, boom. I'm going to give it some more instructions. As you can see, it lists the artist of influence, and then some key words for prompt. You can also do prompts like follows. And then I'm going to go back to my prompt guide. I'm going to just do this. So it's understanding the pattern. Here's the framework that works. So you do have to do what you know. You can't just ask AI, hey, give me these prompts for this tool. It's probably not going to work. So again, AI is not doing 100% of the work, but you're using it to exponentially accelerate the process. Okay, beautiful. Let's try it. So Claude takes a while. So we're going to take a minute, and now we're going to go back into ChatGPT, and let's start with creating the cover page and the intro. So I use Canva, and so you just go to Canva templates, and let's just see what we got. Canva templates is a great way to get started. It's going to accelerate the process and find something that already looks professional, good graphics, etc. Copying all that into here, and then probably Suno AI guide. And then I'm just going to go to elements, lo-fi, graphics, boom, beautiful. All right, so that's how you would create that. Typically, would want an intro section. I want you to write this for me page by page using what you have here. Start with page 1, introduction. Boom. So there's an intro, introduction, and then I'll do that. And then let's just do this. So using this method does take some graphic design skills, an eye for design. That's very helpful. So we're just making it look better, increasing the formatting. Next page. All right, so we're going through study beats, and then we're going to copy this. And then you're just wanting to make it look nicer. I even like to add some graphics here. put that in the corner, and boom. That's how you create a simple page of your prompt guide. And so you just do this for 10 pages, 20 pages. Again, you're wanting to make it look nice. You're wanting to evaluate the work of ChatGPT, make sure there aren't any mistakes. So that's sort of the process that I use. Let's check on Claude. Okay, Claude, a digital guide, the ultimate chill hop prompt pack. Welcome to the pack. Okay, inside, good. I love this. How to write better lo-fi prompts. This is great. Weak first strong. It's got the sections, jazz hop, great. Now, to even make this better, I might add some graphics. I would download this, put it into Canva, but are the prompts good? Is it just repeating the same things over and over again? But this is fantastic. I mean, look at some of these prompts. First love lo-fi, tender piano, soft drums, warm bass, butterflies and stomach feel. Suno loves that type of language. So this type of stuff would be great. So typically my method is a bit more manual, using ChatGPT, going page by page in Canva, as I shared. But as you can see, in May 2026, Claude has enabled us to create digital products from scratch in minutes. And this is not bad at all. So we're going to download this. And so here's the prompt guide that was created by Claude. So once you've created your first digital product, now you want to post it online. I put my digital products on Gumroad. I find that it's easiest, very low friction, very great for your first timers. And so you just open up Gumroad, go to new product, chill, hop, and lo-fi prompt guide, digital product, just say $4.99. Okay, customize, and then describing your product. So what you want to do is you want to look at a good selling digital product. So you can see my digital product. This one has over 800 sales. And so I'm going to copy this, write a product description using the format below, lo-fi chill beats. Great. Looks good. I might clean it up a little bit. Boom. So typically I would add some sample pages. And so again, you're just wanting to give a screenshot of what your digital product looks like. Now you want a cover image. So how I do cover images is I go into Canva. So these are all the cover images I use. Okay, so just something like this. And there you have it. And then you want a summary here. All that looks good. You can also add a thumbnail. A thumbnail for Gumroad is just a square image, and that can be helpful. All right, so let's see what this looks like. So this is how our chill hop and lo-fi prompt guide would look. And if you get really good at this and train Claude to be even better and have more polished output, you can do this in 20 minutes or less. It really is crazy how quickly AI tools have changed and gotten better. You really have no excuse not to get started today. So once I have this product online, I would then copy and paste this. I would go back to Medium, and then I would hit Edit Story. I put a CT at the top, CT at the bottom. So they're clicking on that. They're going to the digital product. They're seeing the screenshots. You want to get reviews from your first users, friends, and family. So they're seeing reviews, and then that increases conversion rate. And hopefully that gives more clarity on my process for creating digital products. Make sure you're subscribed, because in the future, I'm going to be sharing videos about bundling and upselling, email workflows, all that other stuff that I didn't have time to go through in this video. But the biggest key is this: you have to start.